Imagine this. You retire at 65, and by 90, you're still healthy and full of life. But your savings account is completely empty. Sounds pretty terrifying, right? So, let me ask you, are you absolutely sure you have enough money to live to 90? Many of us believe we're ready for retirement till we realize that the rising cost of living, unexpected health expenses, and relentless inflation have quietly eaten away at our plans. It's a common fear, but it doesn't have to be your reality. In this video, I'm going to help you figure out exactly how much money you truly need to retire comfortably and more. Importantly, how to make sure you never ever run out of money even if you live to be a happy, healthy 90-year-old. We're going to build your financial longevity plan right here, right now. So why is this such a big problem? Well, according to a recent study by Northwestern Mutual, the average American has only about $89,000 saved for retirement. Now, hold on to your seat, because the minimum amount needed to maintain a similar standard of living in retirement is often over $1 million. That's a huge gap. The shocking part is, the reason for this shortfall isn't always because people don't make enough money. It's because they do unplanned early enough, and they seriously misjudge their financial lifespan, how long. Their money needs to last. We're living longer, healthier lives, and our financial plans need to catch up to that reality. So, how much money do you actually need to retire without fear? Let's make it simple. Remember this easy formula: the 4% rule. This is a widely used guideline that says you should plan to withdraw only 4% of your total invested assets each year in retirement. By sticking to this rule, you give your investments a great chance to continue growing, ensuring your nest egg can support you for the rest of your life. Let me give you a clear example. If you want to spend about $40,000 per year after you retire, you'll need around $1 million invested. Want to live on $80,000 a year? Then you'll need to aim for $2 million. It's simple math that puts you in control. But here's a critical piece of the puzzle. Just saving money is not enough. The silent thief called inflation is always at work. With the average inflation rate in the US hovering around 3 to 4% per year, any cash you're just holding onto is slowly losing its purchasing power every single year. The only way to win this game, the only way to truly grow your wealth is to make your money work for you. This means investing. Think about investing in a broad market index fund like the S&P 500, which has historically returned an average of 7 to 10% per year. By using tax-advantaged accounts like a Roth IRA or a 401k, you can supercharge that growth by saving on taxes. The key is to make it a habit, a practice known as dollar cost averaging, where you invest a set amount regularly, no matter what the market is doing. The difference between just saving and actively investing over 20 years is staggering. All right, fast forward to your retirement day. You've built your nest egg. How do you withdraw your money smartly to make it last? There's an optimal order to this. First, you should spend down the money in your regular, taxable brokerage accounts. After that, you can start taking distributions from your tax-deferred accounts, like a traditional IRA or 401k. And finally, you can tap into your Social Security benefits, ideally delaying them as long as possible to maximize your monthly payout. Following this sequence can significantly reduce your tax burden throughout retirement and optimize your cash flow, leaving more money in your pocket. Now, all these strategies are powerful, but they work best when you adopt the right mindset. I call it the longevity mindset. Financially successful people don't just plan for the next 10 years. They think in terms of 30, 40, or even 50 years. They understand that it's not just about how much money you have today, but about how long that money can sustain you. Think about it this way. If you're taking care of your health so you can live a longer, more vibrant life, shouldn't you give your finances the same opportunity to live longer, too? It's about aligning your financial health with your physical health for a truly prosperous future. So, let's get started today. Right after this video, take a few minutes to review your retirement plan. Ask yourself, Are you investing in the right places to beat inflation? Are you truly accounting for the cost of living a long and healthy life? If the answer is, I'm not sure, don't worry. In my very next video, I'll show you step by step how to create a sustainable retirement portfolio that's built to last. If you want to live financially free after 65, go ahead and hit like. If you want to retire stress-free, and make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video in our Financial Freedom After 50 series. Remember, you can't control time, but you can absolutely control how you prepare for the future. It's time to let your money work for you so you can truly enjoy your golden years, even into your 90s, with a big smile on your face. Plan smart and live free. Thanks for watching.